Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tyler. So I'm starting off today's vlog literally looking like trash. I don't know what my hair's doing. I'm in my dressing gown. I'm about to start cleaning the house because I have to do it every morning, otherwise I won't do it at all. So at the moment I'm folding the washing, and then I'm going to clean my room, and then I'm going to put another load on and then clean the kitchen, and then that should be it. Then I need to edit Monday's vlog and then put that up before 5:30, and then research hairdressers because I think I am going to cut it, and then I'm going to maybe put some foils in it. So we love that for me. Yeah. So I just got out of the shower and did my eyebrows because they were looking tragic. I just found out that I'm going to be staying home by myself for about 4 or 5 days because my mum and stepdad are driving down to Dunedin. So I'm going to stay home, look after Tatum and the house. Should be fun. I actually love being home by myself. I have a few things I want to do on a film a night routine and Thursday's video, so that should be fun. I'm not sure if I'm going out on Wednesday. I probably will, but I'm not too sure. I can't believe I'm actually looking like this. So Tuesday, and I went to get lashes because it's Wednesday and I am going to the beach today because I need to get out of this house. I've literally been stuck in this house for like a week, so your girl's gonna get out. We love that for me. I had my white bikini on, but I think I'm gonna change it because I don't know, it's just not a very good bikini to tan in, so I might change it to another one, but I'm not sure. I'll probably vlog a little bit at the beach, but not a whole lot, but we love that for me. I'm not going out tonight because the beach is pretty much in the city, and I don't want to have to go to the city, home to feed the dog, and then all the way back to the city. So I'm just going to save going out for the weekend. And yeah, we love that for me. So I'll see you guys on the way to the beach. So you can barely see me, but I'm currently driving to my mate's house because we're going to town. I had a really good day at the beach, but I did only, I only had like 15 minutes to get ready, and I literally went from no makeup and a bikini to a play suit and trying to be a full face of makeup. So we love that for me. I'm staying fully sober tonight because I'm trying to, get my body a break from drinking. I don't like drinking, to be honest, so we love that. I'll try film tonight because I'll be sober, so I should be able to remember. But oh my god, I'll show you guys tomorrow. I got so freaking burnt today. We love that for me. Your girl just does not know how to apply sunscreen, so I'll see you guys in town anyway, and I think I might get some food in town.
No. I can't beatbox, but I'm drunk as well, so I can.
If you want to beatbox, are we delaying the rap battle? Or?
Oh shit!
I'm ready.
What the fuck? People asked you surrender.
I'm ready.
Go!
What's the beat though? Is it beatbox or is it beat?
I'm doing the beat. Cover. Full. Like that's a word.
Yeah, I'm way too drunk.
Oh, they don't do words. Full.
Hey, let's go!
Yo, Ethan, you think that you've been creeping up on me? Yo, Mr. fucking Green Play Jacket on me. I say, boy, your hands too curly till even look at me. I say, you wish to wear braces. Am I right? Your teeth too straight. You got a fucking nostril in your right ear. Yo, your nostrils coming out. It's super flared. You got a couple of earrings. That's right, it's true. You got a couple of fucking bearings in your damn boy shoes. You copy me. You got the same shoes as me. Jeez.
Oh,
What you
shit.
trying to do, boy?
Oh,
You trying to
he
be
stepped
me?
on there.
I
He
don't
stepped
know.
on there.
You wear fucking Vans old schools and you got blue jeans. I used to wear in year 7. Oh shit. Standing in heaven.
Oh, shit.
Heard of me, buzz down, Tatiana. I wanna see you buzz down that shit over. Yeah, now make that shit clap, make it down. Now toot that down, Tatiana. I wanna see you buzz down, pick it up, now break that shit down, speed it up, now slow that shit down on the gas, slow it down, bust it, bust it.
For real. Cat hell, must smell us the bill, I'm recorded, my cat deal. I ain't ballin' out, but it ain't no major. I can never switch, I can never be a hater. Tryna hit a
Gas station. I'm kind of just finished pumping gas. Tonight was a really good night. I really enjoyed myself, even though I stayed literally completely sober. Only thing I didn't enjoy was like all my nails broke, so we love that for me. And I filmed a video for Thursday thinking it was for Valentine's Day, and yeah, so we love a fuck up, but I'm gonna still upload it tomorrow, edit it tomorrow and everything. I just really want to go home and go into bed. I have about 45-minute drive home. We love that for me. My lashes are kind of looking fucked up. I need to brush them tomorrow morning. But that's it for me tonight. I'll see you guys when I wake up and see my puppy. It's Thursday and it's like literally 5 o'clock. I have been sleeping all day. I haven't been feeling the greatest today. I have a really runny nose. My thing came today, so I love that for me. Do you mind? Hey! Do you mind? Tatum's been real clingy to me all day. He's been sleeping with me. He's in there, right? So, I just got myself some Macca's that I literally haven't had Macca's in the longest time. So, that's what we're doing now, and I'm gonna watch some videos and then wait for my video to go live. And then we're just gonna sleep all day, pups? So it's Friday and I just finished getting ready. I'm just gonna have a little talk with you guys while my pizza is cooking. So not doing anything today or tonight. I still feel like shit. I have really bad cramps and I just currently don't want to go anywhere. I probably will take some Instagram photos because I have nothing to post and I kind of like posting regularly. So I start course on the 18th of this month at MIT again to finish off my level 4 because I didn't want to start a new course and not have finished the course that I had done. Like, I just didn't want that on my study link record, so I need a cool study link and tell them to kind of delete my applications that I applied for ITC, which I might apply for after I finish my level 4, which is only 8 weeks long. Like, that's for my second half. So I might do that because I don't want to do ITC because ITC is like another travel course. Because it was in the city and the hours was 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. and you kind of like literally can't, you know, work part-time because it's like such trash hours. So if I do it in June, I can go to the Botany one and do the 9 to 12, which would be so much better, and I can like work after it and stuff. So that will be Gucci. Yeah, that's about it. I am still looking for a part-time job. And still wanting to move to around East or Central Auckland. But I'm not going to look at places to live until I have a job, because obviously you can't move out if you don't have a job to pay your rent and shit like that. So that's what we're doing at the moment. We love that. This vlog is already more entertaining than last week. I just still can't believe I thought Valentine's Day was this week. It's next week. Love that for me. So yeah, I'll see you guys later on. I'm probably still not going to do anything. I might walk the dog because he didn't do anything yesterday and I feel really bad. So I might take him for a little walk, but we'll see how I feel. It depends how my cramps are and everything like that. So I'll see you guys later on. So I am just about to go and leave to pick my mum up. She's currently in Matamata and asked me if I could pick her up, and I was like, why not? I'm not doing anything. I'm just gonna go inside and make an iced coffee to keep my energy up, because driving for like a long period of time really like drains my energy. So that's what we're about to do. I'm about to clean my car real quick just because there's some rubbish and stuff in here, and then I'm not sure if I'm going to my nana's tonight or tomorrow, but you'll find out when I find out. Also probably just going to take some Instagram photos when I get home and when I'm not looking so chubs, because I just tried to take some and they looked quite trash. So we ain't about to upload them to Instagram. We're about to delete them right out of my gallery. But I'll see you guys on the road, and yeah. So it's really fucking shaky, but I am about an hour away from Matamata. I've been driving for half an hour. I'm not gonna do like a stop in another one before I get there, so it's gonna be my only stop in. I'm already sick of driving. Love that for me, and I'm probably gonna have to drive back, so we also love that for me. I didn't even get to make my fucking coffee because my mum wanted me to pick her up now, so I just left when she wanted me to. So the girl's very fucking tired. My cramps are so freaking sore. I just want to be in bed. But I don't even take Panadol, bro. We love this. Looking at shows, watching Netflix. Just about to order dinner for me and mum because we're hungry and can't be fucked cooking or going out for dinner. So takeaways, like delivered takeaways, whatever you want to call it, it is. My cramps are so fucking sore right now. I'm complaining about it all day, but it's all I can think about. Right now is the time I need a boyfriend to make me feel fucking better. We love a single life. So I'm gonna watch Netflix tonight and just make myself feel better by myself. So yeah, there's not really else to say. Mum's on the phone if you can hear her. Okay, so I'm gonna go. I'll see you when food gets there, okay? Okay. Just got my dinner, bro. This shit is bomb as fuck. I swear it's about to be my lunch tomorrow too. Love that. So it's Saturday and I haven't filmed shit all. I have just done nothing, so there's no point just filming me watching TV. I'm gonna start getting ready in about like 2-3 hours. I'm not going to my nana's house. My mum is going there to house it instead, so that's that for me. I'm going to Sapphire tonight. If it's not obvious, I go there every time I go out. If you guys are ever wanting to go clubbing, obviously check out Sapphire. I'll be there. Come have a drink and a dance. So I'll see you guys when I start to get ready. So I'm obviously in the fucking car. I'm ready. I'm going to my mate's house now. Having a little pre-drink there and then going to town after that. Should be an exciting night. I'm feeling myself or whatever. I'm wearing heels and let's see how my feet cope. Now it shouldn't be too bad because I am used to it. I did used to go to town every week in heels, so look at me. I'm so excited for tonight. I feel like it's gonna be like a really good night, but we just gotta see. Okay, I'll see you guys either at my mate's house or so it's last day of the week and I got home at around 5:30, 6 maybe. Literally the worst drive home ever. I was like nearly falling asleep driving. Not fun or fresh. Last night was a really good night though. I like freaking enjoyed myself so much. The music was so good. Just makes me excited for Wednesday when I'm going out with my girl mates. Love that for me. So that's gonna be it for this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to smash the like button, comment down below on what you guys want to see next. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys on Thursday for a brand new weekly video and Monday for a brand new weekly vlog.